In this video, I will give you a complete tour of the pack opening machine and explain all of its important systems and features. We will start by looking at the system which lights up the lamps and controls the different animation area. I will explain the 3 walkout steps. We will take a look at the colored reward area, which include gray, green, light blue, orange, and purple. I will also show the water curtain mechanics that allow the water to appear and disappear automatically and how it is controlled. We will cover the music system, including the note block setup, pitch settings, signs, and the different sound sequences used throughout the machine. I will explain how the main soundtrack gradually increases in intensity from the beginning of the sequence to the rare area and finally to the walkout area. We will also look at the reward-specific sound systems assigned to different colors and reward tiers. Next, I will show the fireworks system and the dispenser setup used to create additional visual effects and excitement during the reveal process. We will cover the automated payment system, including how diamond blocks are used as payment and how the machine processes them. I will demonstrate the Autospin feature and show how multiple spins. This pack opening machine is a fan-made Minecraft project. The goal of this project was to recreate the Ultimate Team pack opening tunnel from the 2021 football pack openings as faithfully as possible, including its key features, animations, and gameplay sequence, using only vanilla Minecraft and Redstone. If you'd like to try the machine yourself, you can download it using the link in the description. Here is the reference animation. The tunnel in this project is inspired by the football pack opening animations from 2021 and recreates their atmosphere in Minecraft as a fan-made project. The sequence begins as the front lights activate, guiding the viewer into the experience. The first row of lights illuminates the entrance area and creates the initial atmosphere. Next, the running lights move through the tunnel. The tunnel is divided into 3 different areas, each representing a different reward tier. Area 1 is the non-rare area, which represents the gray reward tier. Area 2 is the rare area, which includes the green and light blue reward tiers. We will now start the machine up to the rare stage, so you can see the lights in their active state. Area 3 is the walkout area, which features the orange and purple reward tiers. The rear lights illuminate the final section of the tunnel, completing the reveal and highlighting the highest reward tier. Every light, every movement, and every stage is part of the journey from non-rare to rare, and finally to walkout. The items are transported through a dedicated water channel. Inside the storage chests, diamond blocks are used as example items. The water stream carries the items through the transport system and guides them toward the main room. From there, they continue along the route until they reach their final destination. The rewards are transported through this water channel to the main gameplay area. The walkout stage uses the highest tier Waterfall Effect and represents the final reveal. Next, we will look at the rare stage. The rare stage uses its own waterfall sequence. Finally, we will look at the non-rare stage. The non-rare stage is triggered most frequently. The music system is built using note blocks. A sign is placed next to each note block, showing the exact pitch setting that should be selected. This makes it easier to recreate and adjust the melodies during construction. Different sound sequences are used throughout the machine. There is one main theme that plays during the overall animation, as well as dedicated sound sections for each reward tier. Each reward color has its own audio sequence: gray, green, light blue, orange, and purple. Each color is connected to its own note block setup and sound arrangement. The main theme is designed to build anticipation throughout the reveal. At the beginning, the music starts at a slower pace, creating a calm introduction while the machine begins its sequence. As the animation progresses, the tempo gradually increases. When the rare stage is activated, the music becomes faster and more energetic, increasing the sense of excitement. As the sequence reaches the walkout stage, the tempo increases slightly once more to create the final level of anticipation. The walkout stage represents the highest reward tier and therefore receives the most intense version of the soundtrack. At the very end of the walkout sequence, 2 additional notes are played: ding, ding. These final notes act as a confirmation sound for the highest reward tier and bring the entire reveal sequence to its conclusion. Together, the note blocks, reward-specific sound sections, and increasing tempo create a progression from non-rare to rare, and finally to walkout. The machine includes an automated payment system. Players can insert diamond blocks as payment for a spin. The payment system is connected directly to the game logic and automatically processes the inserted items. If multiple diamond blocks are inserted, the machine can perform multiple spins automatically using the Autospin feature. This allows the machine to run several rounds in sequence without requiring additional player interaction. The system is designed to provide a smooth and efficient gameplay experience while handling payments and spins automatically. I am now flying around the outside of the machine to give you a general overview of the build. This perspective makes it easier to see the overall layout, structure, and scale of the project. From the outside, you can get a better understanding of how the different systems are connected and how the machine is organized behind the scenes. This section is intended to provide a broader look at the project before we continue with the more detailed components. The machine includes a configurable probability system. The chances can be adjusted freely by the owner at any time. A default configuration is already included, providing a balanced setup designed for long-term operation and profitability. This allows the owner to use the machine immediately or customize the reward chances according to their own preferences. In addition, every slot machine includes a dedicated item setup. This setup explains which items belong to each reward tier and how they should be placed inside the machine. Separate guides are also included for important systems and configurations. These guides explain how to configure and insert reward items, how to craft and set up the fireworks used by the machine, how to place and manage the water system, how to activate and configure the payment system, how to prepare the machine for operation. The goal is to make the setup process as simple and understandable as possible, even for users who are not familiar with the technical details of the machine. The machine uses an automated door system during the reward sequence. Once a spin begins, the doors close and remain closed throughout the animation. The reward item is transported through the water channel and delivered from above. At the end of the sequence, the item drops down into the reward area, where it can be collected by the player. When the auto spin feature is active, the doors remain closed between spins. In this mode, the normal start mechanism is bypassed, allowing multiple spins to run continuously without interruption. The doors close to prevent other players from entering the machine during the animation. I will now demonstrate the difference between a normal spin and the auto spin feature. First, you have seen a standard spin using a single diamond block. With one diamond block inserted, the machine performs one complete spin and then returns to its idle state. Next, I will demonstrate the auto spin system using two diamond blocks. When multiple diamond blocks are inserted, the machine automatically queues multiple spins and executes them one after another. This allows the machine to continue operating without requiring the player to manually start each individual spin. The following demonstration shows how two spins are processed automatically in a continuous sequence. The visual effects are linked to the different reward tiers of the machine. For a non-rare reward, represented by the gray stage, no additional effects are triggered. When the machine reaches a rare or walkout reward, dispensers on both sides at the beginning of the tunnel activate and create spark effects. These effects make the reveal feel more dynamic and increase the excitement throughout the animation. For the purple walkout reward, an additional firework effect is triggered. At the back of the machine, another set of dispensers launches a larger firework display, creating a spectacular finale that highlights the rarest reward. The reveal system uses controlled waterfalls. When a stage is activated, a waterfall appears and opens the corresponding section of the machine. From the technical side, the mechanism works with an empty bucket that removes the water source and places it again when needed. This allows the waterfalls to appear and disappear in a controlled sequence. Next, we will look at the rare stage. The rare stage uses its own waterfall sequence and activates the second reward tier. Finally, we will look at the non-rare stage. The non-rare stage is triggered most frequently. To start the machine, the player inserts a diamond block as payment and then stands on the diamond block in the main gameplay area. The player remains in this position throughout the entire pack opening sequence. For the best experience, an FOV of 70 is recommended. This provides the optimal view of the tunnel, the lighting effects, and the fireworks throughout the entire sequence. With all materials prepared, the machine can be built in approximately 6 hours using Litematica layer by layer. A total of around 150 hours went into developing this project. The biggest challenge was synchronizing every timing perfectly. The lighting, music, sounds, doors, water curtain, fireworks, and animations all had to work together in perfect sync. The machine consists of a large number of redstone components, all working together to control the entire sequence. The machine can also be expanded easily. For example, a reward can be added to the gray non-rare tier at any time. Maintenance is minimal. Under normal operation, only the payment diamond blocks and the fireworks need to be refilled. Performance was also an important part of the design. To reduce lighting updates, many areas are illuminated using glowstone, helping to keep the server load as low as possible. The machine is suitable for a wide range of use cases, including casino servers, city build servers, theme parks, multiplayer projects, and single-player worlds. A complete pack opening takes approximately 25 seconds. 10 automatic openings take just over 4 minutes. The download includes the Litematica file, the schematic file, an item setup guide, as well as links to the explained video, the reveal video, and the 1-hour test video, providing all important resources for the machine in one place. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.